Honorable William Ruto, PhD, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to this ceremony where we shall witness some shining examples of India-Kenya bilateral cooperation. These are by the way of exchange of 5 memorandums of understanding, followed by press statements by our 2 leaders. First, the exchange of documents. First, we shall witness the exchange of Memorandum of Understanding between the Government of the Republic of Kenya and the Government of Republic of India on cooperation in sports. His Excellency, Mr. Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Minister of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs of Kenya, and from the Indian side, Dr. S. Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the exchange of Memorandum of Understanding between the Government of Republic of India and the Government of Republic of Kenya on cooperation in the field of sharing successful digital solutions implemented at population scale for digital transformation. From the Kenyan side, again, His Excellency Mr. Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Minister for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs of Kenya, and from the Indian side, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways, Communications and Electronics. Next, we have the cultural exchange program between the Government of Republic of India and the Government of Republic of Kenya for period 2023-27. From the Kenyan side, may I request His Excellency Mr. Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Minister for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs of Canada, and from the Indian side, Shri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Culture, Tourism and Development of Northeastern Region. Thank you, sir. We next have the exchange of memorandums of understanding between the Bureau of Indian Standard and the Kenyan Bureau of Standards. From the Kenyan side, Her Excellency Ms. Rebecca Miano, Cabinet Secretary for the Investment, Trade and Industry, and from the Indian side, Shri Pramod Kumar Tiwari, Director General, Bureau of Indian Standards, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. We have the exchange of Memorandum of Understanding between IGNU and the Open University of Kenya. From the Kenyan side, Dr. Beatrice Iangala, Permanent Secretary for Higher Education of Kenya, and from the Indian side, Professor Nageshwar Rao, Vice Chancellor, IGNU. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the exchange ceremony. I now request the spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs